Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to make a simple design with just fonts and capturing images. However, we're going to do some research on Google. So we're going to have to capture the background of the beach. So let's begin the tutorial. And by the way, we're going to use Design Frame, which is a program that I made with HTML and that you can also use. So if you like this program and you don't want to spend crazy money on a software, you can get it by following the link below. I appreciate the support. Now, let's begin. Now, the first thing we're going to do first is we're going to do like a curved shape text. So we're going to type in life is a, and then we're going to add the text into the frame, and now we're going to curve this text up. So we're gonna rotate this and make it smaller, and we're actually gonna choose a font that's going to be perfect for this type of text. So I'm going to choose a different one. Hopefully I find one that's really good, and if we don't get one, let's try Pacifico. I think I like this one. Okay, so let's rotate this a little bit more, and then we're going to download, and we're going to go to the gradient colors, which is going to blend more um, colors into this text. So let's go to the download and upload the text that we just made, and we're gonna type in blue and pink. Let's blend these colors and let's see, it looks really good, I think. Let's do red for the third color. I think I like this one too. Let's do yellow. The purpose of this is to have like a beach sensation type of font. So I think I like this one, so download, and then it's gonna generate another text but with the colors. So now let's go to Design Frame, do a refresh, and then we're gonna type in the word beach, and we're gonna do the same font. So let's make sure that we do just that, and we're gonna make it bigger, of course. Pacifico, and there it is. Now we're going to download this word too. All right, so let's go to download so we don't get too many of this text. So we already have what we want, which is this one, and we have now the new phrase, which is this one. So let's go back to Design Frame. Now let's go to Google and find an image of the beach. Let's enter and go to images, and hopefully we find one that's very nice and suitable for this type of text. So because the point is that I want, I think I like this one. Yeah, I think. Let's make sure that it's a nice pixel size. So let's save this as beach and save. Now let's go back to Design Frame and choose the Shape Trim tool because we want to capture the image of the beach with the text. So now let's upload the second text, which was the word beach, and increase the size. We're gonna increase it all the way, so that way we get all the colors and it looks nice. Okay, now let's take a shot and let's close this right here. Now let's upload those images, and we're gonna upload this one first, the word beach first, of course, and make it maybe a little bit smaller. And now let's drag this here. We're gonna add some outline, of course, a black outline, because this design is gonna be for a white t-shirt. So let's add some outline. If you want to add more, you can add some more, but yeah, one more and that's it. All right, now let's upload the next one. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's rotate this this way, so that way it's not, the design is not perfectly aligned, if you know what I mean. Okay, now let's move this here. Now let's upload the second, which was the other color, and it was this one right here. If we have to add an outline, we will do that, but for now I think it's gonna be fine. Let's place this here, and I think that's gonna look good on in my view. So I don't know, I think I don't need, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's turn in the white frame, so kind of get an idea what's gonna look like on a white t-shirt. You know what, let's add some outline too. But yeah, we don't want the same thing. Yeah, let's just download it like this. So final download, and it's going to download as design frame number 1. So let's check and make sure it is. Now let's get rid of all these files, and let's keep that one. And now let's go and do the final mockup, or the final sample. So let's upload a white t-shirt. I think I have one here. Let's make it fit all the way on the frame, and that'll be perfect right there. Now let's place the design, which is this one. Increase the size, and let's send this PNG to the back, so that way the design comes to the front, and I think that looks great. I don't know, what do you guys think? Also, a black t-shirt will look great. In fact, let's do that. I think most designs go better on any black t-shirt, to be honest. And plus, you know, black t-shirt is my favorite color, so for my designs. So let's upload the artwork and see how this looks like on a black t-shirt. Send the PNG to the back and bring the design to the front. I think it looks way better on a black t-shirt, to be honest. So you can do like a maybe colorful t-shirt, like a fuchsia or even blue t-shirt. I think it's gonna look great too, but definitely the black one is the one for me. So this will be a nice and cool design. You can download your mockup, so that way you can add this product into your inventory page, which I already show you how you can open your online store by adding all your artwork. If you haven't watched the video of how I do it, I got this new program that I'm going to install on Special Tools for Design Frame. It will be located here, so that way you can build your own online store and you don't have to pay crazy money on websites because it is very expensive, especially the hosting. And yeah, this is how this program works. So if you are interested, it'll be the link below, where it will take you to my store, and you can get it for one-time payment, and you will get all of these features plus the t-shirt calculator that can help you price your t-shirts, the sticker calculator that can also help you price your small stickers, and soon the program that will help you build your own online store, so that way you don't have to pay crazy money on websites. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.